This is the iPad 8th generation. This is the latest one that is available in India at this moment, and I'll be unboxing it. This is actually the iPad 128 GB version. There is a lower end at 32 GB, but that I think is too less for any good work. So this is the 128 GB version, and also it has the Wi-Fi plus cellular option. It costed me around 50,000 as of now, and although it's locked down here in West Bengal, but the delivery by Amazon was good. It took me around 2 to 3 days. This is it. Finally, we were able to open it. Such a hassle. Here we go. So this is the space gray version. I'll come to it in a moment. Let's see what else is there. Standard documentation and that sticker. This is the lightning to type C. This is good because this is the one that comes packed with the iPhone 12 as well. So that is the one that I've got, so I think I can have a replacement for them and I can maybe use them interchangeably. That's good. And luckily we have a charger. I think it is not the 20-watt version, might be slow. Oh, this is the 20-watt one. Damn, I think it supports a faster one as well, but this is not the first one. When I was buying iPhone 12, I had to buy it separately. That's an inconvenience, but Apple says this is for environment. So this is how it looks. Let's try turning it on. the standard Apple logo. Here we go. The Apple iPad 8 is now ready to be used. For me, mostly the purpose is to read and sometimes consume media, and also I would like to show you a case, a third-party case that I purchased with it, and I think it is quite good. I might link it in the description. Obviously I'm not sponsored for this, but I found this one very affordable, yet it was quite good. It comes with a stylus which is free, but of course it doesn't cost you anything. But if you buy an Apple pencil, it will cost you around $1,000. So, but the review on Amazon was good. I don't need a keypad with it at the moment because I have Keychron K2 keyboard, which is a Bluetooth wireless mechanical keyboard that I might use with it as well. So I didn't purchase a keypad. This should do. When you're carrying a gadget this big, you ought to have a protection. This seems quite good. Now I'll go ahead and set it up. Thank you for watching.